Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi here, Midday Update. It's about not quite 10 after 1 Eastern time as I'm doing this. So we opened up 89.5 was your opening print. It chopped like crazy for about 20 minutes. We ended up putting a 88 to 92 no trade zone on the whole thing. And then what you saw, it was kind of the inverse of yesterday. Yesterday you had a no trade zone on it. As price would come back down, it would hit support, and then eventually took off to the upside towards our upper level. We started to see the inverse. It would go up, reject, up, reject, up, reject, up, reject, and these little lower highs. I mean, it looked like garbage, but whatever. So we end up taking that off, taking the no trade zone off, putting a short setup in against 88. We caught 87 quarter, and they took it down pretty hard into the 60, 68, 69 area there just before 10:30. You made a beeline for our proprietary lower level, made that bias, came up and retested it, and went down and did a lower low. So the bears, once again, for the 5,832nd time, really had an opportunity to take control of the day. Because what you were seeing at that same time on the hourly chart was, whoa, band expansion, and a lower low. I mean, here it is, silver platter. You want the market, you can have it. But no. Bears are bears, all alone, open field, nothing but themselves in the goal line, and they'll trip over a blade of grass. So they take it all the way back to the lower level again. We had a little bit of mix longs and shorts here, trying to find a way. They make a higher low, come back up into this area of our proprietary moving average in the lower level. They stay here in basically a 2-handle range for 45 minutes, trying to deal with 84, and they did not deal with 84. So after being long and just kind of sitting there with a free look at it, we get stopped out even, and we got a little bit of a short that got us paid and stopped out. So it's been about a 13-handle day. Nothing great and glorious. I did not blind buy this down here. I was more interested in seeing if you could get some real band expansion to the downside. And that's, look, that's what happens when you give the bears too much credit, right? And it's going to happen to everybody. So right now, though, we are currently short. We are short the 82 area. You've got VWAP, 5-minute mid-band, proprietary moving average, all kind of jammed in here in this 81, 82 thing. We'll see if they have a little bit left. I have very little expectations for this trade. It's more a free look to see if maybe, just maybe, they want to finish what they started. My problem with being long right now, though, is if they can't take you out at 84, then there's really no point in doing it at all. So if I don't get a look at a move down, then I think what we're staring at here as we get into the afternoon is another no trade zone. And, it may be the reality that they want to shelf it into 10 o'clock tomorrow and wait and see what Powell says on his little Zoom call. I mean, that may be the deal. And what you'll see if they can't take out 79 and they can't take out 84, then what we all could have is a front row seat to a whole lot of this. And I'm not going to be the ping pong ball today. No way. So we'll see how this lifts. I'll probably get stopped at 82. But if it's persistently unable to take out either 84 on the up or 79 on the down, then we're going to slap another no trade zone on it, relax, and wait and see if on either side of that zone it becomes worth trading. All right. Everybody have a good one. Take care. I'll be out with an evening review tonight. Be good. All the best. Trade them well.